Please read the description to see if there is an updated video for this product. All products are 100% made in the USA. Please support American jobs. Apple Carplay is also available for Honda Accord.
Honda Accord taking apart the car. So in the first step, we have to remove this panel right here. This panel is going to come out first. I'm going to go ahead and unpop it. Go ahead and remove the panel. Once the panel is removed, you'll find a few screws behind it. There's a screw behind it that is holding this whole thing. After you remove this, in the next step, we're going to need to remove these panels right here. And so to remove this panel, you start working from all the way from the bottom of the panel and kind of working your way up, and it just comes out. So from the bottom, you pull it up, so basically like this. Pull it up and the whole panel comes out. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Same thing, go from the bottom, up, 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 and the panel comes out. Now after the panel is out, you need to remove 2 screws and on each side. So as you can see, there's screw here and then there's screw on the other side. You can see the screw right there. Remove those 2 screws with the Phillips number 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the panels. Same thing on the other side. And remove the little pocket. Now, inside there's 2 8mm screws that need to be removed. So this way you can see the approximate location where the screws are located in the back. Okay, so just remove the 2 8mm screws. Prefer to use the angle screwdriver, so I'm going to show you. So this is the 8mm screw you're going to take out. And you got one on the other side as well. So this is the tool that's preferred to use, or you can use just a ratchet. Now we're gonna pop out the top panel, and there's gonna be 2 more screws there. Okay, this panel pops out, and now you got 2 more screws up there. You got 2 screws on top here. It needs to be removed. Okay, after the screws on top and the 2 10mm screws on the bottom removed, just pull the panel out. Kind of like this, and the radio comes out, and you can have it all disconnected. When you first pull it out, on the bottom here, the hazard switch, just disconnect that, and you'll be able to pull the radio further along to disconnect all the connectors in the back. If you don't have the radio code, don't worry about it. By the serial number and the VIN number, you can get the code online. So just go ahead and disconnect the radio. Okay, the next step, we need to gain the access to the back of the screen. So remove the 2 screws on top here. After that, remove 1 screw on top, and you're gonna remove 2 screws on top of the cluster. Remove this panel right there, this vent, and there's 1 screw behind it, so you can pull the whole panel out. Now once all panels are removed, go ahead and pull everything, the whole assembly out. So it just all pulls out, and you can just set it on the side. Alright, once the panel is pulled out, there's only thing that's over here is the holder of the steering wheel, so you just go ahead and snap it down, kind of like this, and the whole panel comes out. After panel is removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the screen. So to remove the screen, you got one screw here and screws on each side. Okay, once the screen is removed, you can either remove or leave it. I wouldn't remove, I would just leave it sitting like this so you can go ahead and run the wire. So you got the two cables that were supplied, right? And the reason we do that is to remove any interference. As you can see, the cables are all shielded. This is 100% shielded. It's not like any competitors offers right now. And this is shielded too. So first we're gonna run one of these cables. So you're gonna go ahead and unplug the factory cable. And this is also actually made at the same factory how the cables are made. And you're gonna run this cable through the back to basically inside of the panel. And so after you run the cable, you run it through the side over here so it comes out over here nicely. Get the nice shielded cable come out because you have the space behind the radio, so you want it through the side. Okay, so we're gonna use this cable. You have this cable supplied, and out of this cable, the only wires you're not gonna use this. So you can cut this off. So you can cut the green wire off, and you can cut the orange wire off as well. That is not used. Okay, and the gray is not going to be used either, but for now. Then you can tape this off nicely, so this way the wires don't get short-circuited or something like that. Okay, the wire is not used, so you're going to go ahead and either cut it off or eliminate it like this. So we're not using this wire. Okay, now we'll send you a harness. So what you do is you connect this end like this, and then the other end is going to go into the interface. This is your extra camera inputs if you want to connect the extra cameras and stuff. Now we're going to check everything. Now we're going to test all the features. Put the car in reverse, you get the original camera. Put the car in drive, you're going to get the front camera. As you can see on top right there, you got the front camera. Alright, now when you drive over 10 miles an hour, the front camera is going to shut off automatically. Put a left turn signal on, you got the left camera. Put the right turn signal on, you got the right camera on the screen. With the push button, you can also select the settings and change to connect. If you're connecting the smartphone, you'll be able to do that as well. Alright, now you can also switch to your smartphone. Smartphone appears on the display. Actually, I went through many inputs, and you can cycle the inputs manually. Front cameras, if you want to do while driving any of the cameras, you can do that as well. But we're going to cycle. Right now we only care to see the smartphone. Okay, so you get the smartphone image in HD quality. Okay, now in any of the apps that you look at, they're also going to be in an HD quality. Alright, let's how about HULU. You got the HULU video. There you go, you got the video all in HD quality. Look at the beautiful picture. This is the only interface that has HD quality. Now I got the Netflix. This is native images. Very nice cartoon, right? Now I'm gonna make it a little bit brighter. Everything is in HD quality. Now you got the YouTube. YouTube is also in HD quality. Everything is displayed in HD quality. The lines are just a reflection of the screen, so we'll go ahead and I got the Google Maps. Also HD quality. What else do we have? We got WAZE. WAZE is also in HD quality. So you can use anything you want. Then you can put, let's say you drive and put your left signal on, left camera, turn the camera off, you go back to WAZE. So now that you tested everything, you can go back, put your car back together, you know everything.
Press subscribe button left hand side. Subscribe button works on tablets, computers, and smartphones. Please don't forget to click the notification bell. To watch the other video, please click the video on the right hand side. Also, please leave a like and a comment below. Thank you for watching.